everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm excited to share some beginner-friendly Punjabi phrases that you can start using in your daily conversations. Whether you're a native speaker looking to brush up your skills or somebody who wants to learn a new language, then this video is perfect for you. Let's start off with hello. Hello is Sat Sri Akal. You put your hands together like this and say Sat Sri Akal. Sat Sri Akal. How are you? Tusi kiਵੇਂ ho? That's the formal version of it. Tusi kiਵੇਂ ho? Or informally with friends and family, you can say ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ, ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਫੇ? To welcome somebody into your home, for example, you can say swagat. Swagat. So what's new? Navi taji. What's new as in like, is there any news or is there any updates? How are things lately? For all those things, you can just say Navi taji. Nice to meet you. Tohannu mil ke khushi hoi. Tohannu mil ke khushi hoi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good morning is Shubh Saver. Good afternoon is Shubh Dopair. And good evening is Shubh Raat. But those are not very commonly used. For all good morning, good afternoon, and good night, good evening, you can just say Sat Sri Akal. It's a universal phrase that works for all of those. Certainly. Jarur. Beshak. Yakinan. You can use all three of those words for certainly. So, Beshak. Beshak. Yakinan. 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 Or Jarur, which is the most common one. Jarur. So if you agree to something, you can say Jarur. Great. Like, that's great. You can just say Vadiya. Vadiya. Or if it's amazing or very good, you can say Bahut Vadiya. Bahut Vadiya. Happy birthday. Janamdin Mubarak. Janamdin, which is birthday. Mubarak, which means congratulations. So, Janamdin Mubarak is the closest translation of happy birthday. Please call me. Please is Kirpa karke. Kirpa karke. Kirpa karke mainu call karna. Call karna. Kirpa karke mainu call karna. Your house is beautiful. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਘਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ. Thank you for having me. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਉਣ, which can be shortened to ਬੁਲਾਉਣ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ. Thank you for coming. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਏ, which means you came over. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਏ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ.